everybody, to another episode of Crypto Moose. I am your host, Mitchell Bouchard, and what we're going to do now is talk about some crypto safety tips. So, for a lot of you, we'll get to it at the end actually, but for a lot of you, you may want to understand how to navigate the crypto industry a little bit better. Now, ultimately, this comes down to not exposing yourself to scams, and not only that, but also not being fooled as easily in this space. Okay, so if you want as well, if you do enjoy the video, this is all I want: like and subscribe. That's if you enjoy the video. If you don't like the video, you don't have to do those things, and I don't care. But if you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Even leave a comment if you believe in what I talked about. So let's get into the video. So we have crypto safety tips. In number one, you want to research the team names. If the team has the name Bankman-Fried at the end, you are not to put your money on that exchange. So there are different ways of holding cryptos. We'll talk about the best method at the end. But do not invest into an online exchange. Do not hold your crypto tokens on an exchange if anybody on their team is associated with Bankman-Fried or Sam. Okay? Never. The next one. If the CEO doesn't have a quality haircut, do not put your money in the exchange. If their haircut looks like this, it's a warning. See, this guy's trustworthy. Okay, you could trust that haircut, right? You trust that. That one, no. Okay, if they have a bad haircut, don't just go somewhere else. Okay, go somewhere else. Company name. If it has FTX in it, no. Tell them no. If something changes, I'll let you know. No. Mount Gox. No. Quadriga. No. No. All right. So that's number 3. Company name FTX. No. 4. If somebody tells you you're going to get 20% every day or every month or every week, it's fake. All right? If you guys heard of BitConnect, if somebody goes on stage and tells you they're earning, 50, 100% every day or something, it's not real. Guys, it's not real. If you make a quick dollar, trying to make a quick dollar is probably the fastest way to lose it all, okay? I know I'm being a little bit goofy and fun here, but do not fall for the easy money. It's difficult. A 4 or 5% yield is good. Okay? Like that's normal. I understand with Bitcoin, if you hold it or if you get into the right project, you can make good percentages. That's good. But don't get too greedy is the point, okay? And at the end of the day, really, you want to avoid these ideas. It's greed and fear, right? Okay? So what do you do? How do you protect yourself, okay? So these are the warning flags. Those are the warnings for you, okay? Okay? And you would think with the $1 billion you can get a haircut, but apparently not. Apparently not. Okay? Or if you hear the word Alameda or whatever it is, run. Run. So what do you do? What do you do? You get a Trezor. I got one right here. Should have one underneath my desk. Trezor. You get a Trezor Model T. You get a Trezor 1. You can get a Ledger if you want. This is a cold storage alternative. All right, let me explain this real quick for you. There are 6 type of crypto wallets essentially. Okay. If you want to learn more, I have online courses in the link in the description. I take you step by step. We have other videos on the channel as well. Okay. You have a phone wallet, something on your phone. Okay. You can download an app. That will be a hot wallet. Okay. But it's a mobile wallet. You can set up your own software on there where you can hold Bitcoin, for example. You have a desktop wallet, which is what I'm using to record. You can set up a wallet that way. The next one would be a crypto exchange. So FTX, not a good option. Not the worst one of the worst options. A crypto exchange is probably one of the worst options. Then other than that, you have a paper wallet. Okay? That's another option, but not the best. Then you have one of the worst is a Web3 wallet. It's a Chrome extension, right? Where your data and coins are exposed online. So, and then you also have a hardware wallet, which is the best option because your data is stored offline. And you add a PIN, which is an intermediary. That's why the Trezor Model T is the crap. That's why I put Jesus on there, right? You have to understand that your security matters, okay? If you ask yourself, hey, if I lost all my cryptos, like if I lost $50, maybe that's a lot to you. How would that make you feel? Right? If the answer is you would cry for a week, maybe you want to invest in a hardware wallet. If you're just getting started, you can start out with an exchange, but be ready to lose it all, right? Because when you have money on an exchange, it is typically going to be not self-custodial. It will be custodial, meaning they hold the tokens for you. Okay? They're acting like a bank now. If they hold tokens for you, if that company ever goes under, you lose everything. And the purpose of cryptocurrencies is that you can hold your own assets on your private keys. If I lose this device even, I have my 12 words. Okay, I have a video explaining how to do that. Take an online course if you really want to understand how to protect your digital assets, okay? It's that simple. All right? Now, where can you buy a crypto wallet? Right? You're probably thinking, you know what? Maybe I want to do that. Maybe I want to set one up. Well, again, you don't want to get scammed. That's what this video is about. Let's try to get to this. Trezor.io. Trezor.io. Do not go anywhere else. If you go somewhere else, if you buy it on Amazon or eBay, somebody could tamper with the device, steal your coins, take your tokens. You don't want that. That's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm Crypto Moose. I'm making this video to help out everybody. Okay? I barely have any subscribers. I'm just starting. I am doing this to help you. I don't have a lot of time otherwise. I'm doing this to help you all, okay? Okay? Maybe hit the like button, subscribe. That would help me. But at the end of the day, I am helping you. Nobody else is telling you this. Everybody else is telling you, put money in my account, send me money here. I don't care. Don't send me anything. Buy yourself a Trezor and help yourself out. Subscribe so you can watch more content because everybody else doesn't have as good a content. They're not as honest. I'm just telling you. It's very easy to sell. Very easy to sell. Very easy, okay? So get a Trezor. They're expensive. If you don't have a lot of money and you want to at least protect your Bitcoin, which is a good asset, get the one. The one is $69. I don't know if that's Canadian or US, but that's cheap. This one's $219. Okay? They're expensive. If you don't have a lot of money, maybe go to Ledger. Ledger has some good products. Get the S. It's pretty sweet. Okay? But comment down below what other videos you'd like me to cover. But at the end of the day, that's how you can avoid scams. Again, here's another one. When you set up your crypto wallets, if your private key or your seed phrase, okay, they go hand in hand, never share that with anybody. Your public address you can share, your private key, that is yours. If somebody gets access to that, if somebody emails you and says, hey, send me your 12 words, I'll help you out, they're lying. Don't talk to that person, block that person, tell them never contact you again. They're lying to you, okay? That could be a scam. Just remember, think about it this way. You put money in your bank account, at least in Canada or the US. The bank now has that money, and then they can loan it out up to 10 times or whatever it is. That's what a lot of these crypto exchanges are doing. They want to hold your money so that they can make money with your money. The idea of cryptos is you can actually own your own stuff and you can earn your own yield. Okay, so get a hardware wallet. Set up your own wallet, write down your words. Okay. Okay, like question everything. Okay, that's what this video is about. Question everything. Put in research. Don't just buy a coin. Here's another one. Don't just buy a coin because it sounds cool. I'll give you an example. Okay, I don't want to go over a certain amount of time, but we'll give you one example here, okay? Let's go to CoinMarketCap. All right, let's say you look at this project within an hour, 24 hours, let's say within a week, okay? You look at this, you look at GMX, and you're like, wow, look how much it's up, I'm gonna get in. Don't get into the project, you don't know anything about it. Only get into what you know. Get the good stuff. Sometimes it's good to get the boring stuff, okay? Get the boring stuff, right? If you get a boring wife, she's probably not going to cheat on you. You get the fun wife, just because she's cool and attractive, she's gonna go to the Bahamas and be with Sam and not you, okay? Not saying that happened to me, but you never know. All right? All right. Don't trust me either. Don't trust anybody. Don't trust nothing. I'm putting on a necklace. I'm making some moves. I'm buying some coins, and I'm putting it on my hardware wallet. Because if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese.